What's up guys, my name is Phoebe and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY Juul. Stay tuned. I'm leaving Home Depot. I spent exactly $9.72, so let's get it. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how I made this contraption. So basically there's a battery pack, as you can see here. Battery pack has two wires, a black and a red. If you know anything about basic wiring or electricity, it should make sense. So I attached two green wires onto this switch here. And then I attached one of the green wires to the ground, which is the black wire coming out of the battery pack. And I strung the other green wire and the red wire up the tube to the Juul pod. Taped them in place because I could not find my hot glue gun, so electric tape. And then I took the top, the cap to one of my old pods, and friend's old pod actually. And so it just comes out right like that. These little small things there at the bottom. You want to attach one of the wires inside here to each of these at the bottom, and it should hit as long as you're hitting the switch.